Okay, in this video, I'm going to talk about how to use the Git Reset command. So typically, if you have a branch and maybe before you make a commit, you have several changes in your program and you want to undo those changes, then that's where you want to do the Git Reset. Okay, so for example, if I have this README and maybe some troll just came in here and typed the letter D all over my document and then just messing with me. So, and that person saved it. So if I do git um, diff, I can actually see the changes to my file. Okay, so if I scroll down here, keep going down, you can see there's a plus D here. If I keep going down, so notice that, I have all these like D's added. Okay, so you can see here plus D, description here plus D, plus D here, right? Plus D. So basically, this shows me all the changes that's been made, right? And maybe I want to undo those changes. Okay, so I'm gonna hit Q to exit. And the way to do that is so if I do, actually, let me first clear it to bring it to the top. Now, if I do git reset hard, and if I do git diff again, you see there's no differences. Okay, and if I open up the README, you can see the D's disappeared. Okay, I know I kind of scattered it throughout, but you shouldn't see any more D's anymore. Okay, so that is pretty much it for Git Reset Hard. There's other variations of like soft and whatnots, but for the circumstance that I just described right now, the Git Reset Hard is probably what you want. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.